YouTube, I'm back. This time with my own personal vehicle. Alright, so what I got going on today is, or tonight, is my alternator took a dump on me, man. It died out. So I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory on this alternator right here real quick. I don't know, it had to been, man, I don't know, 15 years ago, many years ago with this car. I had a system in here. As y'all can see, we got the big three. You know, the ground, the extra power, you know, so your electrical system can flow, you know, much better. But anyway, I had a stereo system in here before, and I swapped my factory alternator with this slightly stronger alternator. All right, so wasn't nothing wrong with my stock alternator. So with this being bad now, I can use that alternator that I kept, my OEM alternator. So we're gonna swap it out real quick. Be easy, not a hard job. Let me get y'all set down here real quick. We're gonna run right through it. Yeah, y'all, we working on the LS right now, man. It's the Buick LS. It's my baby. Hopefully y'all can see right there. I'm gonna be up in this area, right up in here. All right, let me see if I can get y'all. Yeah, this is my baby right here, y'all. So she gets pampered too. Damn it, let me see if I can see. Yep, right there. All right, so probably the first thing you want to do is get this coolant reservoir out the way. I need a 10mm. I'm gonna use my Ingersoll ratchet, electric ratchet. What y'all know about Ingersoll, man? Ingersoll ran. That's the one thing about electric tools, man. They real loud. These things usually just pull right off. Hopefully this thing will slide out. Oh, fuck. I haven't done one of these in a little bit. We might have to take this bar up. Yep, let's just pull this bar up real quick. So it's 2 bolts, 2 13s. So now I gotta grab a 13. All right, so I got the 13. We in there. We in there. Oh man, these things are rusty. You know what? We gotta get some PB blaster, y'all. Holy shit. PB blaster, PB blaster, PB blaster, PB blaster. Got the PB blaster. We might have to pull out some heat. Alright, there we go. We got the PB blaster out. See if we can break these joints loose, man. Come on. Come on. We got one. Let's see if we can get the other one. My ratchet is loud. So we pop this up. Alright, so now we can get this bottle out the way. God damn it! I got this car all rigged up. I got a zip tie. Hold on, I gotta get it. This is real time stuff, guys. This is real shit here. Let me see. I don't have my side cutters. They at work, so I gotta use these bad boys right here. Cut that off. Move this out the way. Come on, baby. Come on over here, baby. All right, so we got the reservoir out. Now we can like see down there, all the way down there. Let's see what you guys see. Let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah. All right, so you got a tensioner down here, 15 millimeters. So first of all, guys, I'm getting all beside myself. You gotta disconnect this battery. All right. So take your negative cable off. I'm in my home, you know, status. You know, I'm on some lazy stuff right now. Mechanics don't like working on their own cars. Nope. I mean, that's not true. I mean, let me not speak for all mechanics. First of all, I do enjoy working on my cars, but just in general, we get off, you know, late working on cars all day, and the last thing we want to do is come and work on our own cars sometimes. So now what you want to do is get this tensioner. You want to bring that back. It's a 15. Get on there with your wrench. I don't have all my stuff here, so I'm using this little box wrench. That way, guys. Push down on it. That's one strong belt. Put this belt on like, I don't know how many years ago. There you go. Alright, so we got the belt off. You don't have to take the belt off all the pulleys unless you're changing, you know, the belt. So then you want to get your I think that's an 10 millimeter. Take off this nut from the alternator. Alright. So get that loose. Take these wires off. Disconnects your battery, so you ain't gotta worry about nothing. Alright, so now unplug it. That's the only connector you gotta unplug right there. Let me see. Alright, so now we got a 15 here, a 15 there, and a 15 here. That's 3 bolts. I'll show you on my other one so you can have an idea what I'm doing. You got a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt right here. So those are your 3 bolts. Once you take those 3 bolts out, that alternator should come out. At least you should want to come out. Excuse me, guys. Oh man. All right, so Let's see if this ratchet, this Ingersoll can get this thing off. Let's see. Holy crap. We gotta finish the job there. You guys just fell. Holy crap. This is real time stuff here, guys. No editing up in here. Let me make sure you guys can see. Alright, please don't fall no more. Alright, so this is just a bracket right here. This is 10 millimeter down here. Loosen that up real quick. Wow, working at home. You gotta loosen it. Alright, next time get an extension. Alright, so now we're down to the 15 nut here, 15 nut there, and 15 nut there. Yeah, boy. Damn. This ratchet got some balls, y'all. Got some balls. Got some balls there, yo. Maybe I should go get an extension. I'll be right back. When I say I'll be right back, that's when my one of my advertisements is supposed to play when I get monetized, right? All right, so let's get this one off back here. I took that off, even with the extension on it. Yeah, you got balls, huh? All right, so we got one more bolt. So that was 3 bolts. I might not be able to get this one. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, come on. The belt was in the way. And this bolt's not even tight. What the hell's going on? I had to rattle loose because y'all know Philly D don't leave nothing loose. I'm the only one that worked on this car, so I know I ain't do that. I ain't do that. Why is this going? Let me go get another short socket. I was trying to prevent from going to get a socket, but come on. Come on. You get that later. You mother. That's the type of shit that irks you and gets on your nerves, right? We lose stuff like this. You mother. This camera was in here, I probably would have been had it up. out of here. Wow. It's like right there. He just... Why does this have to happen to me? Why? Why? This boat is like 3 miles long, y'all. Like, come on. This boat is long as shit. Come on, baby. Come on. You bastard. Ah, oh, there you go. God damn it. And there you go, guys. 3800 alternator. This baby is ready to be changed. So, obviously, we're going to put the new one back in the way we took it out. Because hopefully it's not that difficult again. But no, guys, it's easy. Just take your time, knock it out. You know what I mean? You had this joint in and out in less than 10 minutes. You know what I mean? That's how you take out an alternator on a 3800. You know? And here's your tensioner. That's the tensioner that you're gonna pull back to get the belt off. Okay? That's the tensioner right here. You're gonna get on this nut right here. And then there's one bolt. There's the other bolt. And there's the other bolt. And all your connections and stuff. Alright? And your negative battery cable. For whatever reason your alternator may not be working, that is for you to determine, or someone else. But yeah. So that's how you change the 3800. Catch y'all on the next one. Alright, y'all. Some bonus footage for y'all real quick. Just wanted to show y'all, man, how this thing is charging up. So y'all know I did the alternator. That's the good one. And y'all see the battery is sitting at 12.77 volts. And it's been sitting there for a minute, so that battery is still good, it's holding charge. I'm gonna take you outside the car real quick, start it up, then show y'all that it's running at 14 volts. Alright, so I'm actually just starting it up now. This is real-time footage right here. Alright, so there's the battery light right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me show y'all again. Let me show y'all the battery light. The battery light is right there. So I was driving it and that battery light was on. So I'm like, what the hell? So my suspicion was the alternator. So let's start it. Alrighty, so she starts up. Let's go see if she's charging 14 volts. As y'all can see, I'm charging at, it said like 15.5 volts or something like that, but that's gonna go down. I just started it, so the idle real high, so the voltage is gonna be kind of high. So, but yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little of that bonus footage, show y'all that I did correctly fix my own problem. All right, so y'all stay tuned till the next one. Philly D will be back.